Welcome to our comparison of the DUMOS and SMUG Countertop Ice Makers. Today, we'll explore the features, efficiency, and design of these two popular machines. Both are designed to provide you with fresh ice quickly and conveniently, but which one truly stands out? Let's dive in. When it comes to efficiency, both the DUMOS and SMUG Ice Makers boast impressive ice production capabilities. The DUMOS can produce up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, making it suitable for gatherings and parties. On the other hand, the SMUG Ice Maker offers a rapid ice-making feature, producing 9 cubes in just 6 minutes, which is perfect for quick refreshments. Both machines provide ample ice, but the SMUG's speed gives it a slight edge for immediate needs. In terms of design, both ice makers are compact and come with convenient handles for easy transport. The DUMOS features a sleek black finish that fits well in any kitchen, while the SMUG also boasts a stylish design with an elegant black exterior. Both machines are designed to be user-friendly and portable, making them ideal for home use, parties, and even camping trips. When it comes to features, the DUMOS Ice Maker focuses on providing a straightforward ice-making experience. In contrast, the SMUG Ice Maker includes an auto-cleaning function, which simplifies maintenance and ensures hygiene. This added feature makes the SMUG a more convenient option for users who prioritize ease of use and cleanliness. In conclusion, both the DUMOS and SMUG Countertop Ice Makers have their strengths. The DUMOS excels in consistent ice production, while the SMUG offers rapid ice making and convenient features like auto-cleaning. Depending on your needs, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.